Hi guys, my name is Majaz, and welcome to Majaz Tech. Today we are discussing about 5 must-know features of Telegram. This feature are making Telegram entirely different from all another messaging platforms. So let's get started. Number 1. Chat and message pinning. In Telegram, we can use this feature for pinning personal chats, channels, groups, and whatnot. Right now, the Telegram app allows their users to pin up to 5 chats, so we can easily find out our favorite chats easily without a searching. Then while comes to inside of a group or channel, we can also pin import messages, so the group members can see the pinned messages quickly. This is very useful feature for admins of groups and channels. Personally, this feature helps a lot for me. Number 2. Hide number. This is an insane feature of Telegram. Most of the public figures given their personal Telegram ID only because of this reason. If you enable this feature from settings privacy phone number, then nobody can see your number. For this reason, a lot of women's are ready to join Telegram supergroups and channels because of nobody can threaten their number. Nobody is afraid of spreading their number. Such a great feature. To enable this, open your Telegram settings, then privacy, then select phone number to nobody. Now your number is protected from all social media scammers. Number 3. Folders for Telegram. This is a beautiful feature which only have in Telegram, and it's entirely new experience for social platform. Now you can add folders in Telegram. You can add different folders. It's completely based on your taste. If you create a new folder, then you can fill several chats to that folder. For an example, you can add one folder for your groups, then another folder for your college family, then another for your business purposes, another for personal chats, and another for Telegram bots. Like that, it's unlimited. You can enable this feature from settings, then chat folders. It's different in Android and iOS, so I am recommending to watch our small and dedicated video to add folders. The direct link in description below. Okay, now let's jump to our next insane feature. Before that, I really appreciate if you subscribe this channel. We have more viral contents about Telegram. Number 4. Cache clear in Telegram. This is an incredible feature of Telegram. Personally, cache clearing is the most useful feature for me. You know, I am using a 16GB iPhone. 16GB in 2020 is too difficult to use. Then I used to take a lot of photos and videos in my daily life, so my storage get full in most of the days. There I use Telegram cache clearing feature. Cache clearing means you can free up your Telegram storage by clearing cache, but the difference is you can download all your uploads and downloads again and again. For an example, you shared a memorable picture to your friend. After some days your device storage get full. Then normally after clearing your Telegram cache data you will get a lot of free space. Then what about that memorable picture? Now you are lucky to download that memorable picture from your friend's chat. Well, talk about WhatsApp. If you uninstall WhatsApp without chat backup, your entire chat history is gone forever. You know, each time backup and restore is another headache. In case of Telegram, you can uninstall Telegram without a backup and also no need to restore. This all happening because of Telegram is a cloud-based messaging platform. Guys, please check the description of this video. There is a list of videos like this. Okay, enough talking. Let's talk about number 5. Number 5. Saved messages. This is a cool and unique feature of Telegram. Then this feature is only available in Telegram. We can't see this option in any another messaging platforms. So the use of the saved messages is just like cloud storage apps like Google Drive and Dropbox. We can store photos and videos. Then the interesting thing is we can store tremendous amount of photos and videos for free. You can also share your important documents. If you are using a low storage device, then you can use this feature. If you are interested in Telegram based videos, we have a special playlist contains tons and tons of videos about Telegram. So guys, that's all for this time. If you like this video, then please like and comment. If this video is really new knowledge to you, then help me to spread knowledges by sharing this video. So I hope you guys see you next time. Bye Majaz.